Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. In the previous class, I had explained you about conjunctions. Today, we will do exercise of this chapter. So please take out your book and open page number 69. Chapter 9 Conjunctions. Read this sentence. I like watching movies and reading books. Arbaj plays football but Arnav plays cricket. In the first example, the sentence I like watching movies and the birds reading books are joined together by the word and. In the second sentence, the sentences Arbaj plays football and Arnav plays cricket are joined together by the word but. Words such as and but are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join together sentences, words, and group of words. Some more examples of conjunctions are or, so, because, if, since, unless, when, until, at, and although. Examples: we can play either basketball or badminton in the games period. Umar was unwell, so he did not go for the picnic. Now we will do exercise. Exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. My drawing skills improved dash I practiced every day. Options are because, so, and. The correct option is because. My drawing skills improved because I practiced every day. Dash Karan had eaten his lunch, he was still hungry. Although Karan had eaten his lunch, he was still hungry. I looked in several shops, but I didn't find the type of jeans I wanted. As Appa was coming home after a long trip, we made him a card. At the camp, we went to bed when the sun set. Indu and her sister attended the party. The movie was scary, so I kept my eyes closed. Every day, my pet dog waits near the front door until I come home from school. Exercise B. Match the columns to make new sentence. I will miss our train if we don't leave now. Raina is excited because her class function is tomorrow. It was very cold, so we decided to stay indoors. John has two brothers and a sister. Would you like an orange or some grapes? Atul continued playing after his friends left the park. Do not add the tea leaves until the water begins to boil. Ritu was reading late at night while everyone was asleep. Everyone clapped when Isan finished the song. I baked a cake but forget to put any sugar in it. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with conjunctions from the box. It was very cloudy days. Neha carried an umbrella. The correct conjunction is so. It was very cloudy, so Neha carried an umbrella. Amina was happy because her cousins were visiting from Chennai. We stood at the counter for a long time, but we were unable to get the tickets. The twins hugged their aunt and said goodbye to her. Do you want to go to play a game or watch a movie? The children looked happy though they had lost the match. You must go outside if you want to see the rainbow. Kosum read a magazine while she waited for the train. Exercise D. Join each pair of sentences using conjunctions from the box. You may have to use some words twice. Bala has been taking sitar lesson. He plays very well. Bala has been taking sitar lessons and he plays very well. This is Mr. Jha. This is her husband. This is Mrs. Jha and this is her husband. The spectators clapped. Their favorite batsman came out to bat. The spectators clapped when their favorite batsman came out to bat. It was raining heavily. Mummy dropped us to school. It was raining heavily, so Mummy dropped us to school. We can meet at my house. We can meet in the park. We can meet at my house or in the park. I am tired. I cannot stop reading this exciting book. Although I am tired, I cannot stop reading this exciting book. He is not very old. He is very wise for his age. Although he is not very old, he is very wise for his age. Akbar did not know how to read or write. He was one of the greatest emperors of all time. Akbar did not know how to read or write, yet he was one of the greatest emperors of all time. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Kriti and Ahan are working in the garden. Either Kriti or Ahan planted the saplings. Now Kriti is patting down the mud while Ahan is watering the little plant. Both the children will look after it well so the plant is sure to thrive. Dear students, today we had completed the exercise of this chapter. Please revise the definition and exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.